I thought I already knew who was going to win this comparison. Honestly, before I even started testing, I had already picked a favorite in my head. Google Omni has all the hype right now. Everybody's talking about it. Creators are posting insane demos. Marketers are calling it the future of AI video. So when I decided to compare Google Omni and Seedance 2.0 side by side, I expected the result to be obvious. It wasn't. In fact, the winner completely surprised me. The first thing I did was generate the exact same video idea in both tools. Same prompt, same scene, same goal. And immediately I noticed something. Google Omni felt more cinematic. The lighting looked better, the camera movement felt more natural. Some clips honestly looked like they came from a real production team. For storytelling and visual quality, it was impressive. Really impressive. Then I moved over to Seedance 2.0. And this is where things got interesting. The videos weren't necessarily more cinematic, but they felt more controllable. I could push the style in different directions more easily, experiment faster, generate variations quicker. And for someone creating lots of content, that flexibility matters. A lot. The more tests I ran, the more I realized these tools aren't trying to solve the same problem. Google Omni feels like it's chasing realism. Seedance feels like it's chasing creativity. That's a huge difference. If you're making cinematic content, story-driven videos, brand ads, or high-end visuals, Google Omni is incredibly strong. Some of the outputs genuinely made me stop and watch twice. But if you're creating social content, testing marketing ideas, building UGC-style ads, or experimenting with concepts quickly, Seedance 2.0 started feeling surprisingly practical. That's what shocked me. I expected to compare quality. Instead, I ended up comparing workflows. Now let's talk about who should use what. If you're a creator focused on visuals, storytelling, and realism, I'd lean toward Google Omni. The quality ceiling feels incredibly high. But if you're an agency, freelancer, startup founder, or marketer testing multiple ideas every day, Seedance 2.0 has a real advantage because speed and flexibility matter more than perfection. And that's where my opinion changed. The winner wasn't the tool with the prettiest video. The winner was the tool that solved the problem I actually had. That's why this comparison surprised me. Google Omni creates videos that make people say, wow. Seedance 2.0 creates videos that make people take action. And depending on your workflow, those are two very different things. So who won? Honestly, for pure visual quality, Google Omni. For content production and testing ideas fast, Seedance 2.0. And that's a much closer battle than I expected. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.